Samsung is already testing One UI 8.5, but leaks suggest the company is looking even further ahead. A very early look at One UI 9.0, which will likely be based on Android 17, shows that Samsung may continue refining its user interface with a cleaner and more modern design. Right now, One UI 8.5 is being beta tested on the Galaxy S25 series. This version, based on Android 16 QPR2, introduces several visual changes and new features. One of the most noticeable design updates is the new floating pill-shaped bottom bar with pill-shaped tabs. This replaces the older rectangular bottom bar and rectangular tabs that were used in One UI 8.0. The new pill-shaped design in One UI 8.5 already looks cleaner and more polished. It gives the interface a softer and more modern feel. Instead of sharp corners and boxy elements, Samsung is moving toward rounded shapes that feel smoother and more refined. Many users see this as a positive step forward in terms of visual appeal. Now, leaked images from an early build of One UI 9.0 suggest that Samsung may refine this design even further. According to shared screenshots of the quick share feature, the floating pill-shaped bottom bar appears to be more compact than the one in One UI 8.5. The tabs also look slightly rounder. At first glance, these might seem like very small changes. But in user interface design, even small adjustments can make a big difference. A more compact bottom bar could free up more screen space for content. Rounder tabs may make the overall layout feel softer and more unified. It seems like Samsung is trying to make the interface not only more attractive but also more efficient. Saving space on the screen can improve usability, especially on devices with smaller displays. A cleaner layout can also make navigation feel smoother and less cluttered. However, it's important to remember that this is likely a very early build of One UI 9.0. Samsung has not even released the stable version of One UI 8.5 yet. That means a lot can change before One UI 9.0 becomes official. Samsung has a history of testing new design ideas and sometimes changing them based on feedback. Internal testers and early users may have different opinions about the new look. Some people might prefer the slightly larger pill-shaped bar from One UI 8.5. Others may even feel that the older rectangular design from One UI 8.0 looked better. Design is always subjective. What looks clean and modern to one person might feel too simple or too different to someone else. That's why there is always a chance Samsung could adjust or even reverse some of these changes before the final release. Still, the direction seems clear. Samsung is focusing more on refinement rather than drastic redesigns. Instead of completely changing how One UI looks, the company appears to be polishing the existing design language. Rounder shapes, more compact elements, and better use of space all point toward a more mature and sophisticated interface. If Samsung continues on this path, One UI 9.0 could feel like a natural evolution of One UI 8.5. It may not introduce dramatic visual changes, but it could make the overall experience feel smoother and more consistent. There is also a possibility that One UI 9.0 will debut alongside the Galaxy S26 series. Samsung often introduces major software updates with its new flagship devices. Launching a refined and polished interface with new hardware would help highlight both the design and performance improvements. For now, everything we are seeing is based on early leaks. The stable version of One UI 8.5 still needs to roll out to eligible devices. Only after that will we start hearing more concrete details about One UI 9.0. But if these early images are anything to go by, Samsung is not slowing down when it comes to improving its software. The company seems committed to making One UI cleaner, more elegant, and more space efficient with every new version.